That's too loose. Shouldn't be able to do that. And see, if you take a look at this, that shouldn't do that. I'm able to move the shaft this way, so I either didn't shim it well enough or it has worn in. Now this is a brand new intermediate shaft. Because I had to replace the one that came with the transmission, we're not supposed to be missing teeth. There's 5 teeth missing on 4th gear here. I had to replace this when I got this transmission. It could be just because things are starting to seat and get worn in well, maybe possibly because I didn't shim it well enough. That intermediate shaft, or counter gear sometimes it's called, that retainer plate, I needed to add 33 thousandths to that. I don't know what I did wrong. I'm an idiot. I don't know why I thought that that was going to work when I put that together. I don't know what I was doing. I don't know if something moved or what it was. But other than that, she's ready to go back in the car.